Have a garden bed on this side and on this side.
Welcome to our vlog, Mama's vlog.
Hello.
Don't break this one because I need it to the side of it.
Thank you. Hey everyone, I have been working in my garden this morning. I should have done it early, like a lot early, because now it's already way too hot. It's already way too hot and I can't work outside anymore. I don't want to risk having a heat stroke because it is too hot already. A little bit where we are heading to the mountains or to the bukid, and so when I get back I will get this garden done. I want it done today. I don't want to wait until the next day. I want to get it done. Okay, it's already too hot and I need a wide brim hat. So this is what I've done so far, and then I decided instead of cleaning out the rest half of this garden patch, okay, instead of cleaning this half of this, I decided I'm gonna clear a path here in the middle, have a garden bed on this side and on this side, because this is where I'm gonna put all my gabi or my taro plant, and I'll figure out what to plant here on this side. But I will have a path here in the middle now, so I will get this done when I get back from the bukid or from the mountains.
Ano ko gi? Buto diha.
Hey Dagi. Uy, hello. Friendly man po din ng isa. Uy, hi, hi, hi. These two are not my mama's doggies. Someone just dumped them. And now they're here. They want to move in here. Hello.
Mom, the doggy loves you. What's food?
Yeah. Upin and Ipin, nani nani na. Uy, what is this doggy doing? So this is what my garden looks like as of today. This is my gabi patch. I got some kangkong over there and some kamote tops, alagbati, or piña that we've been waiting for. Hopefully we can harvest it by August. And my little ginger patch right there, talilong, and some other things. I still want to plant a few things though. It's sprinkling. So this is my garden right now. So hello you guys, we went to Mr. DIY store. We're not sponsored. I didn't even get to buy me a new pair of slippers. It's mostly for the kids and for the house, nothing for me.
Mine didn't work.
Hi, okay.
Hello guys, welcome to our vlog, Mama's vlog. This one is the water gun. Let me open this. Oh, look, it works. Oh, Mom.
And what is that, Iris?
Let me try it out.
Okay.
Okay.
So I bought another one because I bought it for Chat Marites, because she asked me to buy one for her because she likes the one that I have. So that is hers. Eris gets.
Can you please stop?
And we also got some socks at Mr. DIY store. We got some. And then I got this one for the toilet.
Mom, can you please help us?
And this one is mostly for the house. Okay. And then your new pair of slippers. Eris, you got your okay, what you go? And I didn't even buy one for me. This is so cute. And we got the wallpaper because we still need to wallpaper part of the new bed. It's the wallpaper. And then this for the door in the bathroom. And now I'm not afraid to open cans anymore because then I have a proper can opener. Not using a knife anymore. And this spongy bath sponge and a casing for the sunglasses. So that's about it. So naaday mi diri sa atbang sa police station na naman ni mga tagiya na pa. Oh, nice oh. Na ni mga tagiya. Oh. Na may mga tagiya. We are heading home. So we are heading home. So we are done. Kumana mi pa enroll ni Eros ug ni Kuya. DIY today, and we are heading home because it's already raining. It's raining. So hello mga kawigas. Today Papa Wugits and I are gonna do a DIY. Do a little bit of a DIY, just one shelf here in the kitchen. As you can see, it's not painted because we ran out of money. So many things we want to do with no budget. So right now we have leftover wood, so we're gonna put it up here, one shelf, and then one in the bedroom. So Papa's gonna do that. So we are also putting a shelf here in this bedroom nook right there because we have an outlet. Then we'll put a shelf up so you can put your cell phone. Exactly. We want to put a shelf up there so you can put your cell phones when you're charging, and maybe a light, a small one. So we have a shelf there. That will be pretty useful to have. So that's going to be our DIY for today. It's raining outside. And then that wood, we're going to wrap it up with a wallpaper, the same color as the one we did on our door. And then we also did that one so they match. That's what we're going to do. We're going to wrap the shelf the same wallpaper color on both two shelves. So that's what we're going to do. That's our new bedroom, by the way, and our door.
Okay na ito, sir?
Oh, okay na.
Kalap dong, kan yang mana luluk lunak.
Good job, Aaron. Thank you, Papa. Nanak may shelf. Hihi, wapalay pintal. Walay pintal, but that's alright. Yay. Thank you, Pa. Wallpaper lang na niya. Di man siya smooth. So, sige lang. I like to toki. Nanakay ko ang shelf. Nanakoy shelf. Hello mga kawagits, it's noontime. It's 11, past 11. We are at the market. We just got back. Well, we went to Prince market today to get a new stand fan. Yan, katato na kuha ko sa gabi. Pila to? Pila to?
200.
Nadagko po siya kayo. Frisco. Mahal ang isda. So anyway, we went to the Prince supermarket. We bought a new stand fan, because it is so hot today. It is so hot. It's already summer in the Philippines. We are heading home. We were gonna go
Let's go.
buy some fish, but it's so expensive.
Is that boat?
Mo naman lang to. Wala. Oh.
Go, babe.
Sa taron mo pala sila taron no.
Wala dito sa ko.
Palit ka mo?
Asin taron.
Pasal na Caltex na. Kana?
Sa ko. Nari ko pa di ano. Sa Caltex eh.
Hindi lang naman siya. Ha?
Tama niya, di na ba na Frisco? Everything's expensive, you can't afford it.
Grabe sa Lubiro. Yeah.
Mahal ang lubian eh.
Lubiro, tag-40.
So we're heading home. Can't afford anything at the market. Itlog, lato sa dyanan nila.